Grace, what are you doing?
I'm on no hand.
I know, he wants to help.
Grace, give him some more.
Can you give Noah some more?
He likes it when his sister feeds him.
Okay. Come on.
Good. Oh, easy. There you go.
That it?
Yeah.
That's it? What happened to all the other stuff you were doing? Oh, I see. Okay.
Oh, here.
Are you wiping his hands off?
Yeah.
Wow. You're a full-fledged babysitter, aren't you?
What about his face? Are you gonna wipe his face off? There, you're all clean.
Aw, you're such a good mommy. Okay, now last thing your mommy does is we kiss our babies.
What's this? Huh?
Sorry, no, I guess she forgot about you already. It's a nectarine.